Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna try and make Neptune habitable in Universe Sandbox. So basically, the sun is right here, and Neptune is right here, and this is the habitable zone. Um, you can see Neptune is nowhere near the habitable zone. So, how will we make Neptune habitable? Like this. Like this. Or maybe even like this. Like this. Perfect. Neptune is now habitable, but we wanna make it be a bit towards the inner habitable zone. Also, it's still really cold. That may be the reason. Is Neptune now when it's towards the inner habitable zone? How about we give it an atmosphere? Like Earth's atmosphere. There's some There's definitely a place where I can change the atmosphere, right? There must be a place. I know there is a place where I can change it to Earth's atmosphere. But the life likelihood is going up. There's a problem. And one of the problems is that it has 17 times the mass of Earth. So how will we fix that? Oh, we just make a rotational period 0.005 days. Okay, maybe not that because I just made it an egg. So we enable and see Neptune's magnetic field, which is weaker than Earth's magnetic field. So we're gonna have to fix that, and we're also gonna have to give it an atmosphere. What type of atmosphere should we give? Earth's atmosphere, of course. Now, where is the atmosphere? Not here. Definitely not here. I doubt it's here. Not this type of atmosphere. I'm pretty sure it's in composition. It's not this. Not this either. There definitely was something. Maybe we just need to do this. Let's drop the hydrogen amount to zero, methane zero, ammonia zero. No, it shouldn't be a gas giant anymore, or something. I mean, it has no. How about we look at the Earth? Oh wow, this is the Earth now. When it's frozen, of course, Neptune melt. Why is it so hot? Where Where's the heaven? Even. Okay, 12 Neptune is probably in the habitable zone. Nope. How about we reduce it? 625. It's not in the habitable zone yet. It isn't in the habitable zone now. No. Yo, I did a mistake, big mistake, by 0. That did not do anything. Okay, Neptune should be still really cold, 250 times the luminosity of the sun. I think we need a bit less, right? 175 or 200 times the luminosity of the sun. I think that's perfect. Actually, it gets a little bit too hot sometimes. We need some slightly cooler. So 190 times temperature of the sun, and now it still gets really, really hot and really, really cold in some places, which is why we're dropping it down a bit to 175 since we don't want them in freezing hot. Did I just say freezing hot? We don't want them in scorching hot conditions like this. Though sometimes, but now, as you can see, this is all good. Even though it has way too much mass and it has no atmosphere, you just need to do Earth mass and composition, I think. And now Neptune has Earth's atmosphere. As you can see, Neptune is really hot now. Some places have been really hot, some being really cold, but Neptune orbits around the Sun every 167 years. We'll have to drop that to 1 year. Never mind. I never knew it did that. It did? It does that? Okay. We've definitely changed its orbit. Okay, so I guess it's gonna have to make the seasons last super long. Why is there only one pole? What happened to the other pole? And then it's the other pole. I guess that's how it is now. He will travel that way and that way, but it's good. Also, it's Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Anyways, now why are we in 1550? Did it restart? Why am I on a fragment? Okay, anyways. How about we make what's a life chance right now? Neptune's mass, one of Earth mass. Artificially, I think we may have to do it artificially. And now there's clouds. Now life is going up fast. But life is definitely missing something. Basically, it's on the outer edge of the habitable zone. So now it gets really, really cold. So sometimes sometimes it gets hot, sometimes it gets cold. Just as a how about we make the sun a little less bright? I know this is definitely killing life on Earth. Wait, why am I making it less bright? I need to make it more bright. What am I doing? I know I'm definitely killing the life on Earth, but still, our goal is to try and make Neptune habitable, not Earth habitable. So let's not be selfish. Okay, I think that's good enough. Hopefully Neptunian surface isn't that hot. Perfect. It does get really cold in some places, which is why you want to live in an area it never really gets cold. But I guess we may have to move it to the inner edge of the habitable zone. Now, how will I do that? Neptune number one. Let's place it right over view to habitable zone. Where's Neptune number one? What's the habitable zone for? Right there. Okay. Yeah, it will just boil. I think it has the habitable zone of the star or something. But basically, we have to place it towards the inner edge of the habitable zone. Let's see, it being 115. I mean, I forgot you could do that. Oh, that's a little bit too hot. Shouldn't be that hot. Oh, yeah, I forgot you could even just make the orbit shorter, kinda, even though I did remember. How about we make it at a distance of 125? Should not jump above. Did I just see it jump? Oh wait, there is one place where it jumps a little bit too much, so we may have to make it under 24 years so it doesn't jump that much past 100 Celsius. Okay, 123. How long will seasons be in here? Yeah, but anyways, it barely climbs over that much. The polar, then it starts, and I'm pretty sure it's because of its axis tilt. So we just need to change its axis tilt to be like Earth's axis tilt, which is nowhere to be found except right. Actually, never mind. I can't find it. Where is it at? Rotation around the axis, it's not that. It's not distance. It's not speed. Not, oh, spin axis. We need to show axis. What happens if we change it to that? Within Earth's 23.5, something like that. Okay, shouldn't, now that should balance season cell, right? Oh, okay, I did. Okay, then, that did not balance it out. Okay, better. Life should be not thriving now. Okay, so what are we missing? I know what we're missing. The moon. The moon is actually really important because of stuff and its gravity and whatever. So yeah, the moon is there now, and that did nothing. Okay, what is missing? Let's see composition. I think what we have to do is to delete Oregon. Maybe make its atmosphere, pressure, and composition be the same as Earth. Okay, never mind. Argon? Do we delete all the argon? That did nothing. Okay, so basically Neptune's almost habitable planet. I think there's a problem, and I see one problem. And I'm gonna fix the problem. Rise up the sea level. Wait, why did that actually fix things a lot? Rising up the sea level. Yeah, now it looks like Earth. We just need vegetation. Nanofation. We need vegetation. If we make carbon dioxide zero, will we stop global warming? Okay, I doubt we will stop global warming. How about we turn vegetation on? So life is possible around the top part of the planet. Oh. Then after a while it stops being possible because of the extreme temperatures that get over there. I mean, this right here doesn't get extreme. I mean, it's not a bad temperature, really. So yeah, I would consider Neptune a pretty habitable planet. You know, um, okay, we pretty much almost terraformed Neptune. It looks like Earth and has the moon and everything. How does Uranus look? Why is Uranus still so cold? What about Saturn? Also, I have to call it Uranus. I'm pretty sure that's how you call it. I think. I'm pretty sure that's the correct pronunciation. Anyway, Saturn looks like Jupiter. Jupiter looks like bright Jupiter. Where's Mars at? Mars looks like in the back it's red, in the front it's very bright. Let's look at the sun from Mars. We can't even look at the sun where I landed. Okay, let's land on a good spot in Mars facing the sun. Well, we're not mind. We can't look at the sun. How does Earth look like? Earth is where things start to get Very dangerous. First of all, no place on Earth, not even the poles, are habitable, and the poles are 188 degrees Celsius. Earth is basically Venus. Well, rest in peace, Earth. It's no longer surviving. Venus. Okay, so Venus is the same as Earth, except it's semi-blue now, and in the back it's red, and it's way hotter than Earth. And the Mercury is gone. Why is Mercury gone? Let's put Mercury in there because why not? Mercury, hello Mercury. How close can Mercury get before crashing into the sun? Or did we just have a collision in Venus? Feel like we did have a. Why is it red? But basically, Mercury. If we throw Europa at Mercury, it would turn into the hottest planet. Which is why I'm gonna throw Europa at it. Hello, Mercury. Don't. Oh, why is Mercury so cold now? Oh, it got kicked out of the solar system. So basically, this is the new habitable zone, and Neptune is in it. Also, Neptune now has liquid water, good temperature. So basically, you can live in Neptune now. Humans can now settle on Neptune, and sometimes we maybe need to move, but we can still settle in Neptune. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Bye and subscribe.